Willow, you should say something.
Oh, okay, yeah. First off, great job, guys. Awesome. But for me, at Double or Nothing, it's gonna be Triple or Nothing. Because I got this bad boy, but I'm also coming for the Owen, and I'm coming for the world title. So, Red Velvet, last time we faced off, you might have beat me to qualify for the Owen, but that's not happening tonight. Welcome back to AEW. Time to meet the comeback killer.
By the way, that match is happening right now.
Yeah, let's go, Willow, let's go, let's go.
Yeah, Willow!
All right, get ready. Nothing like the unexpected. Here we go.
The following contest set for one fall has a 20-minute time limit and is for the TBS Championship. Introducing first, from Long Island, New York, she is the reigning and defending TBS Champion, the face of TBS, the babe with the power, Willow Nightingale.
Willow Nightingale trying to become the first ever two-time winner of the Owen Hart Foundation tournament. But tonight, she must defend her TBS Championship against Red Velvet, the Ring of Honor World Television Champion, who is standing by. Let's go to her live right now.
Willow.